Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I get to walk you through the 2024 Sea Ray SLX 400. This is the 400 with the Sea Ray blue hull side color and the dune interior. So please come aboard. Let's take a look and see what this boat has to offer. All right, welcome aboard this 400 SLX. I first want to show you this massive swim platform and entertaining area in the back of this boat. Obviously, with this being the entertainer, you can bring out tons of different friends and family and hang out back here. If you're anchored somewhere, you want to be swimming, there is a submersible swim platform by the press of a button that can go down. You can enjoy the water. The other thing I want to show you here is this backrest. It does move. Just lift up the handle, move this way, kind of opens up the whole cockpit into the back of the boat. And there's some very deep storage in the back too, big enough to house a stand-up paddleboard. So kind of good to have. And then as we come on here onto the starboard side, we have the door that goes all the way down and opens up into the water to really expand the back of the boat and expand the entertainment with friends and family. So let's go take a look at the cockpit and see all the features that are in there. All right, welcome aboard the 400 SLX, and this is the beautiful cockpit here in the 400 SLX. Again, the entertainer. So we've got plenty of space right here for the family and friends. Massive table in here, so when that's available, you have that. It does close, and it does have a spot to put it away when it is not in use. And then when you're ready to entertain or cook for your guests, we've got a nice sink right here. We've got the electric grill, and then we have a little tub or basin for whatever it is you need. These can come down, and you can use this as a prep area for the food. We've got a nice trash receptacle right there. We've got a fridge and a freezer as well, and then a spot down here for a carry-on cooler, which is a nice thing to have with so many people aboard. And then for your other comforts, if it's a nice sunny day, we have what we call the sheer shade at the press of a button. That will go all out, and it will cover the rest of this area here if it's a really hot day. And then up here, we have the sunroof that you can open up, or in this case, it is closed on those other gloomy days. So that is kind of nice to have as well. So let's take a look at the helm area and see the features that we got up there. All right, welcome to the helm. Sitting right here on obviously the captain's chair, you do have a co-captain's chair right here. Both have the bolster seat in the up position right now. You've got a space for your feet here. You can stand, very comfortable area. And then the other thing I want to mention too is the power plant. So obviously this being a 400 SLX, you're going to have twin engines, and these are the Mercury 8.2 liter V8 mags, so plenty of power to get you going. All right, the next feature I wanted to show you is the throttle and the joystick control. So obviously with the twin engine, you've got nice dual throttles right here. You can use both throttles, or you can choose just to use one of the levers. That is something that you can do right over here. And then what's phenomenal about this boat is, even if you're not a great boater, if it's one of your first boats, the joystick control is super helpful around docks and lifts. You can literally push it sideways, you can twist it, and that will control your boat even without having any sort of bow thruster, just because of the way the engines work. The other really key feature here is called Skyhook. Skyhook will GPS you and keep you in that GPS location. If maybe you're waiting for someone to come underneath the bridge and then it's your turn, very easy to hit that Skyhook, and it'll just hold you in that position. So wonderful features here on the with the engine and the 8.2 mags that we got here. The next thing I want to point out are your dual SIMRAD screens. So we've got tons of information between both screens. I've got information on the boat. I've got information on lighting, pumps, the blower. I mean, literally everything here. I can have a bunch of it different information on this side regarding the engine and your GPS and everything else that you might need for that day on the lake. So anything you want to know about the boat is going to be right here in these two Simrads. So it's a great thing to have. Let's go up to the bow of the boat and take a look at what we got up there. All right, welcome to the bow of this SLX 400. So first thing I want to show you are these nice lounging seats. They've both got armrests, just a great place to be. You could be up here all day long and be very comfortable. The other thing, we got some seating around here, a little bit of storage underneath both of those seats. You can put a table right here, so if you want to have some snacks or drinks around here, you can have that. We do have access to our windlass anchor up here. You obviously have access at the helm at the press of a button, but if I need to, I can manually come up here and take a look at that as well. So beautiful spot to be if you want to hang out with some people up here. Let's go down to the cabin area and take a look at all the features down there. All right, welcome to the cabin of this SLX 400. So when you need some time to get out of the sun, or if you do want to stay overnight, this is a great place to be. So first of all, as you can see, I'm sitting around the table. You want to come down here, have it lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever you want. You've got some space around here for you and your guests. This table does fold and it can be put away when not in use. This can be converted to a little sleeping area as well. We've got a nice Samsung TV with the soundbar below it. So nice area to kind of come and chill if you'd like. We've got a refrigerator down here. We've got a microwave, just some basic creature comforts when you're down here. And then underneath us here, underneath the stairs, we got a great place to sleep if need be. Great place, maybe a couple people. You got pillows, and you do get some sheets as well with this particular boat. And then I'll open up this door here. So this is a nice stand-up head. It is a wet head, so if you do need to take a shower, you got the nice sink. It's just a nice boat to have down here. So the SLX 400 is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look at it, we would love to show it to you, or you can just give us a call and set up an appointment anytime. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.